Hello everyone, I'm back with a new ITO project. It's called Multiversum. As you can see on the screen, this is the official website of this project. You can access to this website multiversum.io. Here we have all the public information necessary for you, and let's find out more about it. What is Multiversum? As you can see here, it is defined as a relational blockchain as a service for crypto-relational database. It's developed at the fourth generation of blockchain and promises to bring us closer to mass adoption than ever before. It's a platform that enhances data layer through a self-verifying and distributed structure of organized data entities related to one another by symbolic links. Down here we can see this project aims to provide the public solution for everybody, for corporate solution and government solution. It's aimed to reach 35 million hard cap and its soft cap now reach nearly $9 million. We have many articles and the news about it, and if you are interested, you can read more to know, to understand more about this project, and download the app Multiversum. In this website, you have a link, and down here we have a list of the consensus Expo Summit that Multiversum presents. And the newest here, you can see that is at the Future of Blockchain Summit in Dubai. And but before we delve into that, let's quickly look at the three revolutionary phases blockchain technology has gone through since 2008. And the first generation of blockchain, as designed by Satoshi Nakamoto, this is Bitcoin, and many of you know that. This is a very first cryptocurrency, and it uses a proof of work algorithm. And the second generation was led by Ethereum, and it introduced smart contracts and made possible the easy tokenization of assets. And the third generation of blockchains are working to solve the problem of scalability, speed, and energy efficiencies by using approaches like proof of stake validation and off-chain routing. And one of the examples is Cardano. And the fourth generation of blockchain should go above and beyond patching deficiencies of the first two. It must introduce radical concepts and bring us closer to mass adoption by making the blockchain environment flexible and economical for enterprise, industrial, and institutional use, and safe for consumers. This project Multiversum seeks to achieve just that. It will offer complex data types and organization in multidimensional structures similar to a relational database. So here we are the remarkable structures of its project. We have 9 features. The first one is Relational Blockchain, which features different types of data related in a multi-dimensional structure. The second one is splittable chains. The third is transactional speed. It reached 0.2 seconds. Speed is among fastest in the world, and its transactions throughput with 64,000 TPS. And instead of using proof of stake like Bitcoin, this project is a proof of integrity. And for the it has the cutting-edge security in the next generation of wallet, and eco-friendly. A Multiversum transaction will have a different cost and next to zero environmental footprint. And roguelike, it will have to protect users from scammers, hacking, and wrong transactions. Recovery nodes are physical serves allocation, which run recovery nodes and scattered all over the world in case of global disaster recovery. This project makes the concept of blockchain 4.0 real and operative, offers innovative and efficient solutions at very low cost. The beliefs that inspired and leads Multiversum project Green Wheels. It has triple bottom line principles which can be summarized in three words: uh, people, the social aspect, planet, environmental aspect, profit, economic aspect. And in the market now, the modern blockchains can interface complex data and provide them promptly to the network. It also don't allow back-end control over system integrity and security. And so this is the purpose to develop the Multiversum project. They offer the solution for a relational blockchain 4.0, and as you can see here, uh, it allows the generational lead to a safer blockchain and able to create synergies among cryptocurrencies and to adapt to their specific needs. Splitting and joining itself allow for a neater and faster data flux, which can manage them in a complex structured universe. Down here, we have the node features. There are five features of node. One is relational database, divisible chains, interoperability with other blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the multiversum mainnet, and the smart contract. Uh, the multiverse possibilities offer many strengths. Like the first one, the fully decentralized system. This allows external coins and tokens will be able to move freely on-chain, allow for fast chain-to-chain interoperability. And the multi-currency wallet offers high security and reliability, and the fraud prevention rollback complete protects a user from scammers, hacking, and wrong transaction. It also allow low fees for and the reliability common to every decentralized system, and biometric data access based on fingerprint and retina scans. The concept of password becomes obsolete, and data sharing and the existence of backup nodes in different continents will have to ensure survivability and self-recovery in case of global disaster. So we will last faced with the loss in this blockchain, and this project also have some potential concerns. The first one is the ambitious goals are challenging to reach with a more detailed, smaller milestones. The partnership network needs to be extended to find early adapting clients, development partners, visibility, and trust. And the more community outreach will assist the team to gain sufficient traction for the platform. And here we have very detailed information about the crowdfund. It's targeted to reach $35 million hard cap, and the value of the token is 1 USD. It also have the time for the bonus, and the source cap, the hard cap, and total supply of the MTV token. And It have very detailed information about token distribution and destination of distribution here for you to know. And the white paper, this project offer the very multilingual white paper. So for different language, you can download the information of white paper to be more detailed. And the roadmap for this project is very clear here. So they have a step of 3 months to 3 months. The collection steps to read the hard copy of 54 newmans is very clear too, and they have very detailed uh, plan. And about the team, we see here a lot of people. The founders, we have 4 people, and development team, we have 8 people, and business and marketing operations have 6 people, and security advisors have also have 6 people too. 9 people, I'm sorry. And its partner now has Green Wheel for Green Global, European Chamber, and Token Desk. And I think it's very good. The important part are the we have 18 common questions you may have here, and they also offer the answer for each of it. And it's very clear for you to get to know this project or to understand more about it. Uh, and uh, this one is about some news that you can delve into it more about this project. Oh, in the communities now is have Twitter, Facebook, and Bitcoin, and some other social media. So thank you for listening. I'm Get from ICO.org. I'll see you in the next ICO project.